can I improve where you want to be? Hi, Shalom, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamar, and today we're going to make challah for Rosh Hashanah. On Rosh Hashanah, it's a tradition to make round challahs, and this symbolizes the periods in human lives. At each birthday, Rosh Hashanah is the birthday of man. Each birthday, we're at the same point in the year, but it's more like a spiral. Hopefully, we are going up and up, and each year we're not in the same exact place that we were. We're a more evolved human being, hopefully. So now in the month of Elul, it's our time to look, okay, we've been through a whole year and Rosh Hashanah is our birthday. Let's see how we're doing. Not to judge ourselves or to be angry at ourselves, but to look at reality and say, how can I improve? Where did I do wrong?
Down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out alone.
Round challah for Rosh Hashanah.
I just can't quit you now cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. Cause I love you, I love you, I love you.
If I look a year in advance, what person am I? How am I improved? One year we did this vision board where you cut up pictures and words from magazine, and you paste it all together. You make a collage where you set up and you see what you want to be in. It's an amazing visual way that can show you where you want to be.
Excuse me, young man. Excuse me. The little man here woke up and I kind of forgot about the challah a little bit, so it rose a little bit too much.
So this is the first type of round challah. This is the second type of round challah that we made. And this is the third type. Now, symbolically, I think that these challahs actually didn't come out perfect. First of all, I let it rise a little bit too much in the second rising. And I wasn't super focused. The baby just woke up, so I didn't put sesame seeds. But I'm sure it'll get eaten, and of course, you put so much honey. In Rosh Hashanah, you dip it in honey, so it really, I'm sure, will love it and it will be edible. We live in a world that's not perfect, and we're not perfect, and that's exactly what tshuva is. It's about making ourselves, evolving ourselves to become closer to our true potential and who we really can be. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next video.
Rosh Hashanah, Rosh Hashanah.